Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Lightyeargummy, and today I'm doing a general tutorial on how to set up some VMs in not VirtualBox, in VMware. Basically in VMware and for pen testing. So this is going to be the start of many tutorials, hopefully, about pen testing. So you can get VirtualBox from this link here, which I'll have in the description. It's right at the bottom, the download link, right here, which you can get the Workstation Pro and the Player version. But if you want to use VirtualBox, you can download it here. I'm pretty sure both of them support Linux, Windows, and maybe Mac. Not sure though. You'll also want to download Metasploitable, which you can get from SourceForge, which will also be in the description below. And basically what we'll be doing with these things is making a general... one more thing. We need to download Kali Linux. If you want to use 2 gigabytes and I think it's 2 cores or less, then just get the 32-bit version. If you want to use more than that, then get the 64-bit version, but I just recommend the 32-bit version. It's fine for pretty much my needs and everyone else's needs that I know of. Basically, I won't have a tutorial for setting it up, but once you I won't show downloading because I already have it downloaded. But anyway, once you've got that downloaded, you're going to just simply open up VMware. I've already got this installed. You're gonna click New Virtual Machine. This is making the Kali Linux one. Typical. You want to locate the disk, the ISO. If it's the 32-bit version, you want to make sure it's Debian 8.x. If it's the 64-bit version, Debian 8.x 64-bit. That really matters. You can call it whatever you want. I'll just leave it to Debian since I already got one, and I'm going to delete this after. Once you're at this point, you need to click Customize Hardware. You want to go Network Adapter and press Bridged. That's really important because that means it'll let you work with computers on your network, and we're going to do the same for Metasploitable. So once that's done, you can click Finish, then boot into it, and basically you'll have something like this. I'm just opening up Metasploit though. Basically I can just delete that now because that's just an example. And as for Metasploitable, you can just go Open Metasploitable. You'll need to extract the zip file, and then just click the VMX file. Then it'll create essentially this virtual machine here. You'll need to log into it. It'll take a couple minutes because it's got to update some stuff because it's on a new host, obviously. But before you do start it, again, this is really important. Right click, Settings, and then click on Network Adapter. Normally this will be on hosts, no, this will be NAT. You want to make sure this is bridged, so again you can work with the Kali one as well. It's quite important there. Then after you've done that, that's pretty much all we need to do. That's just really all you need to do for the starting and setting it up. I'll have some more tutorials on how to exploit more inside of actual Metasploitable because there's a lot of services that we can mess with. There's like HTTP, IRCs, of course MySQL, a bunch of stuff. Even has some web applications that we can mess with. TWiki, PHPMyAdmin, Matilda, you don't know what that is, damn vulnerable web application, and WebDAV. These are all really fun to mess with. Now, of course, the version is Apache. So I'll be teaching you how to work with this. I'm just going to keep it as a disclaimer. Do not port forward anything for these. I really am not taking responsibility if you manage to have yourself hacked because of that. So that's just like one of the most stupid things, and I recommend people not to do it. Well, basically that's it for just this simple tutorial. This is just setting it up, and this is the Workstation Pro version, but if you're using the Player version, it is pretty much exactly the same process except for one thing where it doesn't say typical in custom. It's just this page onwards. I don't have VirtualBox to represent this, but I'll make a tutorial for VirtualBox later if it's really wanted. But Play is free, so you can use that. As you can see, it's pretty much the exact same process. I won't go through it though. That's just simply all you need to do to start off with this tutorial. We'll be working with more Metasploit and more Klinux and more tutorials. Comment below if you want to see anything specific, and I'll be working on that. I've been Lightly Gummy, and I'll see you in the next